So, sweetie, it's just a simple dessert for your family or anyone that visits you can also take it. Keep watching. So, sweetie, like I promised that I'm going to show you what I did with the inside of the orange. That is the orange fiber. So right now, I just want to show you guys how I started for those that haven't watched my previous video. So this is how I started it. I first remove the back of the orange after washing it, peel everything out and set aside. Here is the orange, that is the tangerine. This is tangerine and not orange. Then I go ahead and start blending it with my blender, and then after that I will now set the juice aside. This is what I used to make that dessert you saw at the beginning of this video. Yes, there are many purposes this fiber can solve. What you can use it to do to achieve, you can even use it to make cake if you wish, but today I'm using it to make a dessert like I showed you from the beginning of this video. So I'll just scoop it out. All of them, I used all of them to make whatever I want to make it with. So I did also with the grape. I scraped the grape also out and set it aside. If you like to watch the tangerine juice, just click at the any side of this video, right or left, to say it will now pop out. You now click on it. Any side you see it, then you can go and click and watch how I made the tangerine juice. It's very simple, 100% tangerine. Now both of them are now ready. You now go ahead. If you have yogurt, it is very good you have yogurt with you. I just use small yogurt. Make it available, make it to be cold. Don't forget it's supposed to be cold. And now put a little on the, yeah, just as I'm doing it, and then go ahead, add it as a layer, one after the other. My goodness, you really need to have a taste of this dessert. It's very lekker. Let me just talk in Dutch. It's very lekker. That is it. And now put a small biscuit on top of it, cookies as you want. That is for the kids. I'll go ahead and show you the way I do mine. Mine is, if you are on weight loss journey, you can go ahead and do this one. I'll show it to you later, the way I do the one once I'm on my weight loss journey, like I am right now. I'm on my weight loss journey. So you just go ahead and get chia seed. Now get small container you like. Now pour both of them as you want. Then add the chia seed, 1 or 2 spoons on it. Turn it very well and put it on the fridge, not freezer. Then tomorrow morning you'll find out that the chia seed will make it everything to come together. Sorry. Before you start taking it, it is very good for your weight loss journey. And that is it for today and nothing else. And enjoy your yumalistic tangerine grape yogurt dessert. That is the name I give it. Or you can just go ahead and call it any name you want to call yours, but for me that's the perfect name I give it. Yeah, for my kids and for mine too. So any name you like to give yours, just give it there. The most important thing is for you to eat something healthy and make sure that you didn't waste your orange or grape fiber. So that is it for today. Like I said, put it in the fridge like I told you and enjoy it once it is cold. And for the kids, they're enjoying their own just like this. Hope you like this video. So sweetie, give it a try and I believe that you'll love it. And I'll see you guys in my next upcoming video. Always stay blessed. Bye, sweetheart.